Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you add the white border effect to your video in CapCut PC. That is super simple. For instance, add the video to the right. I'm just going to effect, select my clip video effect, and you can find white border here and add to the right. And you can adjust for the option right here for the horizontal, speed, and vertical, and you can see for the final effect you have on your video. So that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.